Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Mascfun. Today I'm going to show you this magnet experiment kit. Inside this set we have a compass, 2 cartoon papers, some paper clips, a U-shaped magnet, a bar magnet, a magnet ring, and even a tiny magnetic car. Now, let's put this magnet close to this tiny magnetic car. Look, it's moving now. When the poles are the same color, they repel each other. Now let's try the other side. Look, the car is being pulled by the magnet. That's because these poles are different, red and blue, so they attract each other. Here are 2 paper clips. Let's see if this magnet can pick them up. We also have a cute panda paper. Let's attach it to this paper clip and let it ride on this little car. Look, we have a cute panda paper here. Let's clip it onto this paper clip and let it ride on this little car. Ah, so cute. Now the panda is riding this little magnetic car. Okay guys, now let's test the compass with these magnets. A compass normally points north, but what happens if we bring a magnet close to it? Let's try. Wow, can you see that? The compass needle is spinning so fast when the magnet gets close. That's because magnets create an invisible magnetic field that affects the compass needle. So cool. Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And make sure to subscribe to Mascfun and share this video with your friends. You can also try this simple magnet experiment at home using basic magnets. See you in the next video. We're going to have even more fun experiments together. Bye guys!